tomatoes, radish, cucumber, bell peppers, spinach, almonds, peach, avocado and 1 chicken breast. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to place spinach into our pan and we're going to wait till it wilts down. First, we're going to start with our apples. So take your apples and peel them. Once you peeled your apples, we're going to chop them in half and then in half again into small little pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better it will taste in the salad. You don't want big chunks of apple in there. So it should look just like that. I'm going to set this aside. Next, I've already cooked my beetroot for about 40 minutes and peeled it off, and we're going to grate it on a large grater like this. So grate it until you get nice consistency and it's done. Then we're going to add our green apples into the bowl together with our beetroot. And here I've got some herring. I bought this herring in the store and it's already been marinated in some delicious sauce. So you can use plain herring or just like this one. Cut it into small bite pieces as well. We don't want big chunks of that. Again, for this recipe you can also exclude the herring if you want. Then add your herring inside your bowl. And I'm also adding all the liquid that it came in. Then we're going to mix everything together. At this stage you can season it with more salt and pepper and add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix everything together until it's done and looks just like this. To decorate, I like to serve it with some rocket salad. Just plate it around your dish. And I'm using a cookie cutter. I love serving my salads in that because it makes it look so neat and pretty. So just put your salad inside, press it down, and when you take it out, it's gonna have this nice, beautiful shape. And it's a beautiful presentation, you know, especially if you're doing this for dinner parties or if you're serving it for yourself and someone else. And here you go, there it is. Beautiful salad, guys. Really, really amazing. We're going to need some cucumber, dill, creme fraiche, low fat and some tomatoes. Start off by slicing your cucumber into very thin pieces. To make the dressing, we're going to add all the dill, pinch of salt and pepper, and give it a really good mix. We will need prawns, red pepper, lemon, green beans, garlic and almonds. Place your green beans right inside the pan and we're gonna saute them for about 5 minutes. We're only going to be using 1/4 of the pepper, so just cut that in half and then in half again. Preheat your pan and use some olive oil or 1-calorie cooking spray. And I'm going to put all my minced garlic right in there. Place your green beans, your prawns with almonds and garlic in there. Now add your red peppers, and we're going to squeeze 1/3 of the lemon. Season with some pepper, salt, chili, whatever you like. So I'm going to be using Master Slice. It's a really cool kit that makes salads in just a couple of minutes. So the next thing we're going to do, we're just going to put all the ingredients in there. And you don't need to chop anything, you just put them right in here. Just put the lid right on top, just like that. Close it. To decorate my salad, I've got a nice plate and I'm going to put all the salad in here. For this recipe, we're going to need some green olives, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, hummus and sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to start off with cutting our lettuce, cucumber and tomatoes just into nice pieces. We are going to need spring onions, fillet of salmon, green leaves, ginger, garlic, salt and pepper and 1 orange. Crush your garlic and then we're going to chop it very finely with ginger. Cut your green onion into nice slices. We're going to cut our orange, take off the skin. Once your orange is nice and peeled, we're going to take a little bowl and we're going to do little segments of oranges. So all we're doing, we're cutting right from one side and then from the other side, and then the orange one comes out. And we do that with the rest. Once you're finished with an orange, we're just going to squeeze all the juice out of it right inside the bowl. So squeeze hard so it's all gone. Take out our orange slices and place it in a different bowl. Now take your salmon and cut it into 3 pieces, just like that. For this recipe, we're going to need vinegar, carrot, half a cabbage, onion, salt, pepper, sugar. I'm using olive oil, but you can also use sunflower oil. I'm going to use my food processor to grate everything. So just place all your carrots and cabbage right in there together. Add your salt on top, and we're just gonna mix that all together and squeeze. We want the juices to come out from the cabbage and the carrots. So we're gonna squeeze for a good 5 minutes. Once it's nice and moist, you can see the juices coming out. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vinegar right in there and just carry on squeezing for another 5 minutes. Finally, add your sugar and your onion.